all doing well. As you can tell by the title of this video, I wanted to try the Euphoria makeup trend that has been going around on TikTok, the fun sparkly looks, and I wanted to try it myself, see if I could do something like that. I typically stay away from sparkles in anything that's not matte and a neutral color. So I had so much fun with this look. So thank you for watching, stay tuned. This is what it looks like. Super cute, super fun. So yeah, love you guys. I'm gonna get right into it. Oh yeah, and stick around till the end because I'm gonna explain a giveaway that I'm doing to show my appreciation to all of my subscribers. There's 300 of you now, and to me that's a lot, and I'm super happy to have you all with me. So yeah, I appreciate you, and stick around for that at the end. Okay, I have this mess in front of me. I should have organized it. So I'm really excited for this look. I got some glitters and stuff from Ulta. I got some white eyeliner. I've never tried that. So, you know, we're doing a Euphoria look. Hopefully this doesn't fail miserably. This is my first time trying this, so wish me luck. We're gonna start off with the Huda Beauty concealer. And I need to wet my beauty blender. I'll be back. All right, the Huda Beauty concealer on the eyes. So, this has been going crazy around TikTok. I'm so excited to try it. Set that. I'm using the Revolution Banana Powder. So I recently just tried the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This has been pretty popular, and I don't tend to buy things from e.l.f. just because sometimes when makeup is that cheap, I'm like, what are they putting into it? I heard good things, and I'm like, I'll give it a try, and I've been loving it. I have been breaking out a little bit, so I'm not sure if it's because of this or something else that I'm doing. But I really like the primer so far. So I'll just like take a stippling brush in here. We're just gonna put it all over the face. It may have leftover makeup on it from before. So if it looks colored, it's not colored, it's just, I did not clean my brush. I feel like if I was wearing no makeup, I would still put this on because it is good at, like evening the skin tone, even without color, if that makes sense. Filling in the pores, I guess, would be the right thing to be saying right now. So we've got that on. Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I'm in the color Toasted Coconut. I'm just gonna go, let's go with 2 right there on our cheeks. And I'm going to use this dense stippling brush. Gonna go in with the concealer. Just gonna get the base products out of the way so we can focus on the eye look and the fun stuff. Baking with the same Revolution powder. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit there. It's hard because I'm filming on my phone, which I always do because I don't have a fancy camera. So I don't have like a picture to look at of what I want to do. So I think we need to start with the eye makeup. I'm scared. So I know I want to use white eyeliner. I think I want to do it on top of my black. But first we need to add some color, and then we have glitter too. So let's just go in with a normal transition shade. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. These 2 up top, 1, 2. Just using those together. And I'm just gonna go in the crease. We're gonna start with that. I'm gonna go in with a winged eyeliner. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with the white eyeliner, and then we're gonna add the color after. Okay, so this is good for now, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with the white one. Hope you guys can see this, I'm sorry. Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking. So I don't know, this is kind of getting scary. I like it, but it's just not neat. If you guys can tell, it's like kind of screwed up a little bit, but you know what? It doesn't look too bad on camera. And I think I can fix this. Okay, so already that doesn't look bad. That's really fun, actually. I'm getting more excited. Okay. So at this point, I think what I'm gonna wanna do is focus the glitter underneath the eye, or like make dots of the glitter. So I think I am going, or maybe put it in the inner corners. Okay, so we got both eyeliners and the transition shade. We're cruising along. I'm gonna put on lashes. I promise this is gonna turn out good, you guys, don't worry. Because I'm telling myself that too. I really like the white eyeliner, that's so pretty. I'm gonna go in with the Eyelure Jasmine Brown lashes. You guys have seen this on my channel before. It's one of my faves. Sometimes I feel like I'm like so focused on the makeup look that I don't wanna, I forget I have to talk and tell you guys what I'm doing. Let's put my favorite part on. Oh my gosh, I really like the white eyeliner. I'm just gonna fill in my brows normally. I'm just gonna do this quick for you guys so you don't have to sit here and wait for this. So I'm gonna speed over it. I'm using Anastasia Dip Brow Caramel Brown, I believe, or just caramel. Okay, brows are on. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Trust Issues by Anastasia. I fooled around a little bit with sparkles, but I realized I'm gonna have to put a color on first. we're getting somewhere. I think I want to do some contour just to feel a little more cute. Okay, so I know that I was kind of like focused and it didn't say what I was doing, so I suck, I'm sorry. But I got 2 glitters. After the Trust Issues lipstick, I put on these 2 glitters from NYX, NYX. I got these from Ulta, very affordable, specifically for a Euphoria look because I thought it would be fun. So the colors we have, it's like a bluer, purplier one. And it's, oh my gosh, there's not even a color, come on. Come on, give me a name, don't give me numbers and letters. This one is GLI 11. I guess there's no name. And then this one is GLI 02 or 2, whatever you want to say. So when mixing those together, I think I'm gonna put some on my inner corner as well. So I'm a little scared. Let's like go with it and see what happens. Okay, and I've used the glitter glue to put it on my lips to make the sparkles stick as well. NYX as well, glitter primer. I didn't want to do anything too expensive. It seems to be working pretty well. So I'm excited. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of this on the brush and we're going to put it on the inner corner. Be careful with glitter in your eye. I'm literally probably gonna cut my eye or something. Alright, hey guys, I'm going to be doing a partial voiceover here because I got so focused on making sure that the makeup looked good that I forgot to tell you guys what I was doing. So here, as I said, I'm just applying that glitter glue in the inner corners of my eyes and then underneath my eyes as well. And I am trying to do my best to get the glitter to stick onto that. So as you can see, I'm having a hard time making it stick, so I'm going to have to be using a lot more glitter glue than I thought, and I'm just putting it all under my eye like I would my under eye concealer, and then I'm literally going in and like pouring the glitter on my face, as you can see. So and I did have to keep going back and adding glitter glue so it would stick. And I finally got as much on there as I wanted to, so now I'm just going to go in and line my lips to make them look a little bit more full. This is a lip liner from MAC. I believe it is called Chestnut. And then I'm going back in with a white eyeliner and creating dots above my eyebrows. And I really like the way this turned out. Okay, we got white dots. I want to feel cute, so I'm going to take my hair down. So far, this is what I have for the Euphoria makeup. I'm not sure if this is exactly like perfect as to what I wanted, but it's fun. What I want to do now is put on some black eyeliner on my bottom. So I'm just going to go with any like coal black liner. Oh wow, push that bad boy in there. Okay, and I'm just going to go on the outer portion of my under eye. I mean, this is fun. I feel cute. I do have like a sparkly shirt. Maybe I should put that on to like get in the mood. Let me be right back. Okay, so I have like this sparkly bodysuit. It matches the eye look for sure. I was gonna try to do another video after this, but now I'm realizing that I can't like just have this makeup look, and as well as like I can't leave my house the rest of the day unless I wash this off because I think people would think I'm nuts if I went to Target or somewhere like this. But yeah, I feel cute. And also, I am now at 300 subscribers, which is super exciting. That's a lot for me. I'm like, didn't even know that I would keep doing this and people would watch. I've just always like watched makeup YouTubers and loved them since I was like 13. So I'm like, why don't I do it myself? I've always wanted to. And yeah, so now I have 300 of you guys, and I wanted to show my appreciation. I was gonna like buy a sparkly palette and do a giveaway on that, but just with COVID and everything going on, I don't want to spread my germs onto something and then send it to you. So I do want to do a giveaway though, so I think I'm gonna leave it open. I'm gonna leave it open for a month just because I want to get as much people a chance as I can. So it's gonna be a $50 giveaway, so you can go and get like any sparkly palette or any of the stuff that I used if you want to try this at home. So it'll be over Venmo. And so what you have to do to enter is you have to make sure you're subscribed to me, and you have to be following me on Instagram. I'll provide that below right here for you. And then yeah, I'm gonna wait a month for people to enter, and you'll just have to comment on this video. Comment your favorite makeup item, and I'll choose someone. Super excited. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting me. And yeah, so love you guys. If any of that was confusing how I explained it, I'll also include it in the description below. Once again, thank you. If you guys try looks like this, please show me somehow. I don't know, I want to see. I think these looks are so much fun. And that is all. Love you guys. Bye.